Hello everyone, welcome to our Tutor 5. So far, all the features covered in the previous tutors are based on two-dimensional sketches. However, there are certain features that do not require a sketch at all. Features that do not require a sketch are called placed features. You can simply place them on your model. However, you must have some existing geometry to aid these features. Unlike a sketch-based feature, you cannot use a placed feature for the first geometry of your model. So in this tutor, we are going to learn how to add the holes and the placed features to our design. An engineering drawing are composed by a top view, which is a view from the top, and a front view, which is a view from the front, and a side view, which is a view from the side. By these three views and all the 88 dimensions to these views, basically you can create this companies on any CAD software, or you can just show it to an experienced technician to manufacture it. And an isometric geometry is usually attached at a corner of the view to give you the global image of the companies. For this one, first of all, we would like to create the basic geometry of it, and then we are going to add this hole. And we also need to add the faded, which is the smooth curved feature of the edge, and the chamfer, which are the angled slopes. This is the order of this model creation. Start from tutor 5. I will no longer give you a step-by-step tutors because you have already have a basic understanding of the Onshape modeling. So I will only show you the feature geometry history at the left-hand side of the screen. So for these companies, I created the sketch 1 to create the basic geometry of the companies. And this is the dimension I used. And then I extrude it. And the depth is 16.4 millimeter, and it's symmetric. Then I create a sketch 2 to create the center of the hole. This is the position of the hole, and you can use the point command to create it. Then I use this point as the center hole to create the hole, and here is the hole command. And this is the character of this hole. And the style is countersink through all termination and the custom standard, and this is the hole's dimension. At the sketch point to place holes, you need to select the point we just created and click the check sign to exit hole editing. Same step for create the top hole. You need to create a point and give the dimensions of the location of the point, and then create the hole. This is the holes tab. And you will select the center point as the center of the hole. Same thing for these two holes. We create a sketch for these two holes, and here's the location of these 2 points we are going to create. And then we create these 2 holes by input all these informations there. At the sketch point to place holes, we select these 2 points separately to be the center of the holes. Thus, we have finished creating the holes. And then we are going to create the chamfers at the full edge of the basic geometry. And the chamfer command is like this. The intensities to chamfer are the 2 edges shown here. And this is the dimensions you are going to input for these 2 edges. After you do it, just check the blue sign to get out. And the next thing you need to do is create the fillet. So I choose the inner 3 edge to create the fillet. And you're going to select it at the intended to fillet. And you need to check the tangent propagation and set the radius to be distance control. And the radius is 8 millimeter and along edge overflown. And the fillet command is next with the chamfer. Okay. And we are going to create the fillet 2 for the alt edges. So you need to select these 2 edges, and this is the character of it. It's same as the last fillet one. It's only different. The only difference is the radius. This one is 20 millimeter. And we will create the last chamfers at the right end. So you're going to select these 2 edges and give the 10 millimeter as distance and 45 degrees as angle to create it.